This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by the Scroggins team. Step back in time at Nashville General Store and Bakery, a local favorite for 20+ years. The storefront decorated with a 20s theme. Inside you will find the shelves fully stocked with kitchen/baking supplies, home decorating decor, and antiques. Customers shop, grab breakfast, lunch or sweet treats and enjoy the ambience. The store has a full kitchen, and has indoor or outdoor dining areas. Purchase includes all inventory, fixtures, and equipment. Inventory list, history and recent improvement list available. Partial seller financing is available, and seller has arranged preliminary SBA financing with Owen County State Bank. Long-standing profitable turnkey business. Nashville General Store and Bakery is a well-known favorite throughout the hills of Brown County, Indiana. For more information, review the details below.